Well, I guess I can say this right now that I hate losing. I really, really hate losing. Siguro dahil meron na akong ah, status na pinapangalagaan na since I can sort of do many things. I'm proud of myself. I know I'm capable. But when someone na mas better sa akin, someone who's on my ka-level ko is doing better compared sa akin, I feel this, it's two things. I feel this rage. First thing is I feel this rage. I feel this great motivation na no, kailangan ko lang pasan tong specific na tao na to na I need to beat this or else wala ako. I'm freaking lame compared to those guys. And it's a good thing. It's a good motivation, 'di ba? Na to be better for yourself para i-beat mo yung taong yun. And the second thing is wait, I forgot. The second thing is I think wait, hindi ito yung iniisip ko but um I observe myself na I give up sa isang bagay. Halimbawa, if I'm good at I know how to play guitar. I know how to play my guitar. But sometimes when I see someone who's better at me, nagsasabi ko, nawalan ako ng kumpiyansa sa sarili ko. I'm being less confident sa isang bagay na since mas magaling yung isang tao, ba't hindi na lang siya, di ba? Yan. Those two things. I feel, and now what I feel, because may specific um catalyst kung ba't nagsasalita ako ng tong ngayon. Bro, that guy, that guy, he's 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 doing his best para mabuhay. He's doing his best to improve himself. And I look lame compared to him. Like, napapaisip na lang ako sa mga choices. Sa mga choices na pinagagawa ko sa buhay. Like, everything. And the thing is, kailangan ko pa ba ng comparison before I start to work on myself? That's what I thought. Yun yung unang pumasok sa isip ko. Now, while observing all these emotions, all these ways kung paano ko i-handle yung mga ganong thoughts and emotions, kailangan ko pa ba ng competitor para in order for me to be better for myself and to be better for someone? It's a sad thought, syempre. And, and it's starting to um, open up some thoughts, some realizations sa utak ko. And I don't need a competitor. And why would I compete to other people, diba? If yun lang naman yung main reason mo, what mangyari if you beat that person? Maglalaylo ka na naman. Kasi wala kang competitor and you find someone. You need to find someone in order to grow again. It's just freaking pointless. And that's the thing. Doon ako nahihirapan to have the motivation na gawin ito para sa sarili ko, hindi para talunin yung ibang tao. It's a rewiring process, and I am continuing to develop it to be na masanay ako sa ganong kasi yun naman talaga dapat. Yun naman talaga. What can I observe from my current situation of how I'm living right now is that kapag nakuha ko na yung isang bagay or I get comfortable sa isang role or sa status sa level ng current life ko or the present, I s- I'm starting to live in my own comfort zone na nawawala yung motivation, nawawala yung pursuit, 'di ba? And no, the thing is, I mean, I've always talked about this from my past videos, but it's really hard, no? Na you can address something, you can really know and understand what you're going through, but don't have the capacity to act on it or to para ayusin yung isang bagay. I mean, I have the capacity. I can do it. But siguro sa mental capacity. And I mean, I've always been, parang ako sirang plaka dito na nagsasalita. I don't know, even if, kung anong purpose ito if wala naman akong changes. Oh, ayun lang. You don't need a competitor in order to help yourself grow. Hindi yun ang catalyst. Hindi yun ang catalyst. Ang kalaban mo sarili mo. Yun ang maganda. Ang kalaban mo ang sarili mo. Because you'll regret. You'll freaking regret everything you're doing now na pag nakakapag parang you're being lazy, you're being too unmotivated to start things. And hindi naman kailangan grabe ang simula. Alam ko yan. But things still fall through. But hindi naman late magsimula. But ang pinaka-greatest heartache is regret. Kapag late ka na, you mahirap na. So, whilst you're still at the moment, please change. Please learn. Please grow. That's all there it is, baby. Oh, yes, ito lang muna for now. As you can see, iba yung iba yung quality ng ating video for today because I'm using yung mismong camera ng phone ko sa pag-video ngayon. Kasi yung before yung mga past videos ko, although mukha siyang vintage or parang masyado siyang grainy, I'm using an app kasi. So, it looks dark. I don't know, it looks atmospheric, but I think this looks good. And I think I'll be using this for now. Mm, okay, balik. Focus lang. Yun lang. Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin. Wake up. Bye. Bukas ulit. Or something if I realize with myself. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm also journaling. So it kind of helps me open up my mind about something within me, something inside me, something I've yet to know about myself. And yeah. Oh, and lastly, paabuti ko ng 10 minutes. I've been writing letters now, and I actually love it. I really, really love it. I think writing your thoughts sa isang paper is very precious, and taking your time to actually do those things is napaka-enchanting and napaka-precious. So, I'm gonna do it. Or, yun lang. Bye.